Hi, my name's Everett. Today I'm going to go over setting up blockage on your 1890 air seeder. We'll go through where you find the serial numbers and how you know how to set up your blockage. Okay, so back here on the tool, just to point out a few things on blockage, we've got our master blockage module right here. And then we have our member modules on each side of this green plate. These are labeled, you can see on this side B4, B5, B6. They coincide with the towers. So this is the 4th tower on the machine, 5th tower, 6th tower, from left to right as you're standing behind the seeder facing the tractor. It's important to know where these are at the first time you set up your machine, because you're going to have to come back here and look, and it shows the serial number. So the last 5 digits, this one's 49804, 49805, 49806. Typically they go in order, but not always. If you have a module go bad, you will need to write down that serial number, because we're going to have to put that in the monitor so that when your monitor tells you you have a blockage, you know where to go. Out here on our B1 tower, these are our blockage sensors. So this is a Seedstar 2 air cart, and these are the newer version of blockage module. I have an older style that I'll show you as well. And if you look at the harness that comes to it, this is labeled row 8, row 7, row 6. So if there's, depending on who set it up or how they're set up, it shows you. So just be aware when the blockage tells you B1 row 8, find your harness that says row 8 on it, or row 5. So that's how you'll find which row to go to. For those of you that might be watching these that have an older air cart or seeding tool, a Seedstar version, you might have blockage sensors and modules that look like this. This was on our earlier carts, our Seedstar version, Seedstar 1. So how these work is, instead of your member modules that we have on the Seedstar 2, you would have these, one for each tower across the drill, and then your blockage sensor that would plug in, and they're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So however many sensors. If you didn't have 12 sensors, these would be blocked off. So these do work in series. So how that works is, if number 2 goes bad, let's say we have 8 sensors on this particular run. If number 2 went bad, then all the rest of them would not show up. So if you're doing a little troubleshooting, you might unplug sensor 3 and move it to 2, or if you have a new sensor in the cab, plug it in, see if your others show up. So these just have a clip that clip in line with your seed tube. We'll show you where to input those serial numbers on the monitor. So we'll go main menu, blockage monitor, and we'll go into our setup. We'll hit the wizard hat. Bottom chute, 6 towers, all run. We'll hit our next page. And here is the serial numbers that are on each of those little black box member modules. So come in, input them, and then tell it the number of sensors that was on each tower. When you have that, hit accept, and you have set up your blockage. I hope the videos that we provided you today was some help to you. If you have any more questions, please contact your local Landmark dealer.